Are you wondering whether to fuel your workout with carbs or proteins? Let's dive into the debate and find out which nutrient is best for your pre-workout routine. Carbohydrates are like the fuel that powers your body during exercise. They are broken down into glucose, stored as glycogen, and provide the energy needed for physical activity. According to Kristen Grimes, a personal trainer and registered dietitian, consuming a high-carb snack after working out can help replenish energy reserves and prevent low blood sugar. On the other hand, protein plays a crucial role in tissue repair and muscular growth. Health experts recommend consuming 20 to 40 grams of protein in the hours following a workout to aid in recovery and preparation for subsequent exercises. For optimum performance, it's beneficial to include both protein and carbohydrates in your pre-workout and post-workout meals. Health experts suggest consuming frequent, smaller meals and snacks that are rich in both macronutrients to support your fitness goals effectively. So, when it comes to the pre-workout nutrient debate, the key is finding the right balance between carbs and proteins to fuel your body for success.